Hey guys, it's Julie here and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make these really pretty cake toppers, so let's get right into it. Okay, so from Cricut Design Space I click on text and start off with Love You, and the font I will be using is called Molly Earth, which I have purchased from Font Bundle, and I will leave a link in the description box below for you guys. So now I want to ungroup the words and just play around with the letters and making sure they join together. So I'm quite pleased with how it looks, so I'm going to select all and weld it. And change the colour to red because that's the colour cardstock I will be using. And I think I will make it about 2 inches wide. Just pop it up there for now. Okay, the second one, let's work on Kiss Me. And again, I will ungroup the words and play around with the letters again. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, then please do hit the like button down below, as this will really help my video reach out to more people. Thank you all so much. This time I need the dot in the eye to join together, so I go to Shapes and click on Circle and then hover over the dot and select the circle and eye and click Slice, and then remove the layers and delete, and then bring the dot lower. Okay, I think this looks fine, so I select all and weld it, and this should join all the letters together. And then I'll have it in red again and about 2 inches wide, and leave that at the top. And last but not least is Be Mine. So I will be doing the same thing again with the eye and just bring the dot lower again. So I think it would look quite cute with a heart next to it, and Cricut Design Space has a heart shape there, but I think I prefer to use my own, so I'll just get it from the library and just play around with it. So I think that's the final look, so let's select all and weld it. And make this in red as well. And I think I'll make this one 2.1 inches. So those are my 3 designs. And I think it will be quite nice to break it down and add some hearts as well. Just so that it's not just all wording, but it's totally up to you. I think it would be quite nice to probably have this in pink as well. Make them slightly smaller, about 1.5 inches wide. So let's make 3 of those. And go for pink. And now I want to cut them together, so all the red ones will be attached and all the pink ones will be attached as well. So I will get the cardstock ready and have it prepared. So I will be using the 250 GSM cardstock, and you've got red here and pink. If you're interested in where I get these from, I can leave the link in the description box below. And also I will be cutting it with my light grip cutting mat, as I find it is easier to weed the design out without ripping the back of the cardstock. So I'm going to prepare it right now. So the setting I will be using is the one above poster board, as it would cut the cake topper design twice, so it gives it that nice sharp finish and it's easier to weed. Okay, let's go. So this is how it looks. Be mine. Love you and kiss me. I think they turned out pretty well. So now I'm going to cut the heart shapes and we'll see how it looks all together. And this is the end result. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up if you have. And to give it a different look, you can also add some sticks and just place them on top of the cupcakes. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.